Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going over the P&S products that I have here, and it is the Rennie Doyle Double Black Collection. Rennie Doyle does not own the company, or it is not the Rennie Doyle company, it's P&S. And Rennie Doyle is actually one of the users and members of P&S family. All their products are made in the USA, so that's fantastic, and these products are amazing. I'll try and throw up some pictures or clips of some of these products in use, and if you guys are looking for a really affordable, really good product for detailing cars, these are something that you should look at. So first up, we have the Double Black Rennie Doyle Collection Express Interior Cleaner, and I just recently picked this up. I have a 16-ounce bottle of it as well, and then I just use this to refill it. So this whole gallon is going to run $16. So that's roughly what a lot of people would spend on just a 16-ounce bottle. So if you can get this, that's fantastic. You can also dilute this 1-to-1. So you can use it at full strength or 1-to-1, and it is a fantastic interior cleaner. The other great thing about it is it foams up. So you spray it generously on the surface that you're cleaning, and you take your detailing brush, and as you start agitating, it starts to foam up, and it does a really good job cleaning. And then it leaves that natural look to it. It's not going to be super shiny or anything like that. So it's a nice, clean, natural look. It's got a nice fragrance to it, and I love that it foams up, so I know exactly what I've cleaned and what I haven't cleaned. And once again, it's very affordable. So that is one of my new favorite products that I use for cleaning interior. Another great thing about it is it's not just good for plastics. It's also good for vinyls, leathers, and things like that. So you can also use this as a leather cleaner. So instead of going out and trying to find a leather cleaner that's safer for a majority of leathers, and something that's most leather cleaners are not cheap. So if you can find a product like this for $16 a gallon that cleans almost all interior pieces, plastics, leathers, vinyls, all of that, that's a great product if you ask me. So I'll be shooting more in-depth videos using this product as well. $16 a gallon. Next up is the Brake Buster, which is very popular as well. This is a wheel and tire cleaner, and it is pH balanced, and it's safe for all wheels and tires. Now you still should check, do a test spray on a inconspicuous spot just to make sure that there's nothing, you're not going to run into issues. But all around, this is a fantastic wheel cleaner. The thing I love about it is you can use it in a foam sprayer like this one. This is the IK Foam Pro 2, and you spray it on, it foams up like crazy. And the great thing about that is it actually sticks to the wheel and tire and takes that time to actually pull the dirt and grime, oil, and all of that from the road off, and it'll just start running down real slow. And then you can agitate the wheel and tire as well, and it does a fantastic job of cleaning. So that is going to run $22 a gallon, so still very affordable. That's, once again, what you're gonna roughly spend on just a couple 16-ounce bottles of wheel cleaner. So here you get a full gallon. So let's get this done. Now that's what I'm talking about. Next up is the famous Bead Maker. It's a paint protectant, and it is where it uses a unique polymer protectant or protectants, and it creates a really nice slick surface. It's hydrophobic, so it repels water. You'll just see water bead up like crazy. Obviously it's called Bead Maker, so it does a fantastic job of that, and it protects your paint. So it's fantastic. The great thing about this is it's super easy to apply. After you get done washing your car, you can clay bar it if necessary, and then you can either spray it on the vehicle wet and wipe it all dry, or it does state You can do it wet or dry, but it does state that doing it on a dry vehicle does enhance its properties. So it's super easy. You spray it on. I use the IK Multi Pro 2, and it's just your standard sprayer. I spray it on simply, each panel, go back, work it in, flip it over to the dry side, and I buff it off. Simple as that. I can get around the entire vehicle in about 10 minutes, and it's super easy to apply. $32 for this gallon, so it is a little bit more than these two. $16, $22, $32. But with this, if you look at any other paint protectant of its class that has water beading properties like this and the slickness of this, you're going to be paying about $32 for a 16-ounce bottle. So once again, the P&S lineup here is very, very affordable and makes some really good products. So hopefully I've thrown up either pictures or some clips of these products, at least a couple of them. But if I haven't, or you want to see more, please stay tuned to the channel, because I will be doing in-depth videos on each one of these products, and I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Also, these products will be linked down in the description for you guys. And if you haven't, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.